Hi friends, it's Miss Kathy here. I have a book. It's a counting book, but it's also a book about things that you'll see outside. This book is called What in the World? Numbers in Nature, and it's by Nancy Raines Day. What in the world comes one by one? Can you think of something that there's only one of? A nose, a mouth, the moon. There's only one moon. You only have one mouth. The sun. There's only one sun. What in the world comes two by two? Let's see what we can count. A pair of birds with wings of blue. What in the world comes grouped in threes? Leaves of a clover, bodies of bees. See, 1, 2, 3 parts of the bee. What in the world comes 4 by 4? Petals of poppies, hooves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and more. What in the world comes 5 by 5? The arms of sea stars, all alive. What in the world comes 6 by 6? The twiggy legs of walking sticks. That's what this kind of bug is called. Now, in the world, they're not this big. What in the world are there 7 of? Colors in the rainbows arched above. What in the world comes 8 by 8? Ooh, octopus limbs that undulate. You know what undulate means? It means it kind of waves like that. What in the world comes grouped in 9s? Stickleback fish's prickly spines. See? Got 9 of them. What in the world comes 10 by 10? You've got them where you can see them. Fingers and toes that wiggle and bend. Look at all the things he's seeing. And what comes in sets too big to count? What do you think? Stars in the sky. A vast amount. All the stars. Can you see that? And that is the end of What in the World. When you go outside, see if you can do some counting too. Goodbye, friends.